Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix stuck or pending transactions on Coinbase. So if your transaction is stuck in pending for a long period of time, you can either speed up or you can cancel your transaction using the button present on the transaction page in your wallet. So your wallet's transaction page will look something like this, where you will be able to see your pending transactions. So you just have to press the cancel button if you want to cancel it, or if you want to process it immediately, then you will have to press the speed up button. You need to make sure that you don't need to reset your wallet if you still see the transaction pending on the blockchain explorer. Instead, you can try speeding up or canceling the transaction. If these options do not work, you can also cancel a pending transaction by sending a new transaction of 0 ETH to yourself. This solution increases the priority of the latest transaction in the queue, effectively removing the old one. So with the help of this method, you will be able to easily fix the stuck or the pending transaction on Coinbase. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.